little rough, but I just decided to randomly, literally just randomly get up and start putting some ornaments on the tree. I'm going to start with the pink ornaments and then we'll see how it goes because as you all know, I'm undecided about the silver and the pink. I'm kind of leaning towards gold and pink, so I'll let you all know how that goes. Up until then, just enjoy this video of me decorating my tree. tree topper here. All of my ornaments and the tree topper, they are from Walmart. I didn't buy them all recently though. Like for example, I know for a fact I got this like last year. Oh, and I just broke it. Just kidding. Not broken, just pulled from the wrong stem. Wait, now how is it on here? Maybe I did break it. Did I break it? No, I didn't. Here it is. I was looking for the stem. This, for a fact, I purchased last year from Walmart when everything went on sale. Lord help me, because I'm finna try to put this up here. Ugh. Sorry, chair. Oh, it's so heavy, it's gonna fall. No, don't fall. I don't want it to fall. I want it to just be perfect, and it's too heavy. Yeah, it's too heavy. My topper's too heavy. No. Okay. So that's out. It's okay. Let's see this other one. I'm gonna use this on Camille's tree. Let's see. This one actually like lights up. I have this one too. It seems to be lighter. If not, we'll just have to take it off. You know what? I want this for Camille's tree. I'm gonna take that from her. So we're without a tree topper at the moment. However, I think it all still looks nice for the most part. Like I said before, ignore my little one panel up there on my curtain rod. But I think this looks nice. I'm not mad at my tree at all. I need a tree skirt. I need to sweep up under there. But I, for one, am enjoying my tree. Okay, get back in focus. I was gonna do ribbon too. I have some ribbon, but I'm kind of scared of that. So I'll let you know how that goes. But for the most part, cool beans, collard greens, all that good stuff. My ornaments were purchased from Walmart. These were, the price is usually like on here, and it's not on here. This year they had on here. These were $9.48, so I'm sure these were probably about the same price. They're literally, these were purchased last year. These were purchased this year. They're literally the same price, same design. I'm pretty sure they cost the same. $9.48. It's really not on there. That's annoying. But 14-piece set is from Walmart. $9.48. I'm sure somewhere between $9 and $10. For these, I used one pack of each on the tree. These might be returned to the store, or I can use them on Camille's tree, or save them for another year. Who knows? And as you all saw, this was the tree topper that I wanted to work and fit on this tree, which, I mean, it would have been so nice, but it's too heavy. It really is heavy, so I might just use it as, I don't know, decor or something. But this is from Walmart last year. I got it half off. Original price $9.98, so I got it for half of that. Another thing I'm considering adding to this tree would be these butterflies. Now, I got these from my granny. She had these in like her closet at some point. Her Christmas closet, I should say. And they're just butterflies. I think they're nice. I should add some. I'm gonna add some just to see how I feel about it. So give me a nice touch of granny on my tree. Let's see. They have little hooks. I'd rather put my little hook. Just as I thought I was gonna wrap up this video. Nope. I have butterflies. Butterflies. They deserve. Story time about the butterflies. My great grandmother, who passed away, she loved butterflies. So I'm sure that's why my granny had these. So I'm happy that she gave them to me. At this point, I don't even, I'm trying my best to make them look nice. And kind of spread them fairly around the tree. Too much Patron, have you called in his phone? Camilla's gonna have a field day, especially with these butterflies. And I'm gonna have to stop her. I'm gonna have to be that parent. I have a couple of these. I don't think I'm gonna open up the window, so my neighbors will probably never see my tree, but maybe, I don't know. I kind of just want the butterflies to be on the front side. That's my focus. I'm obsessed. And just so you guys can see a close-up of the butterflies, which I love. Here they are. Focus. Very... Okay, I'm trying. I'm really trying. I'm trying to be that YouTuber, but I can't really show y'all the butterflies. Here we go. Love this. Love it. And these, like I said, these were hand-me-downs. They were passed down to me. Not really sure the source. I do have the original box though. I did have that. And the box pretty much says set of 12 Christmas butterflies. Oh look, ha, from Ross. $2.99. Well, they were reduced to $2.99. So these are from Ross. Brilliant. Oh, and Granny worked at Ross, so it makes sense. I have butterflies. My butterflies. Sweet butterflies. I love them. So we have butterflies now. Kind of wish I had more. I'm so glad I put them like all right here in the front. I'm obsessed. I have to send a picture to Granny. I don't think I'm missing is a tree topper. Great. But yeah, that's the tree, guys. Love it.